Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How you all doing? I know we didn't post in a while, but I was busy guys, you can't blame. But sorry guys, don't worry. Okay, let's play.
I love you.
Oh no, what happened to my house? Oh no! What happened?
Huh?
Oh, I wasn't at my house.
Your house?
Okay, it's my
One
house.
door is not locked.
Oh my god guys, I didn't lock my front door. Okay, I'm gonna close my house, okay. Okay, my house is closed. I'm gonna go.
Close, locked.
Keep your mouth.
You.
Okay, let's see. Where's the attic? The attic is right over here. Good. Let me go in. Oh, I'm spelling like green.
Stalker. Stalker. Yeah. Bum bum.
Nice, nice.
Stalker.
So, okay, yeah, guys, there's nothing to check here. Let's just go down and put it back up. Okay, guys, let me give you a house tour. Of course, it's not the house you played live together before. What? See ya. Okay,
Yeah.
I just said what because this is the child, the children's room, so if I have a baby like a boy, of course. But I was depending on having a girl if I have a baby. I don't even have a daughter. And of course, this is my room, the master room, and then over here is the bathroom. Like bathroom. Hello guys, bathroom. Here's the hot tub, or should we say bath? Let's go! I'm gonna go close my door. And over here
in South Africa.
is the toilet.
You're literally in South Africa and you acting so.
And go. I did show you guys the room.
Is there a basement?
Keep your mouth embarrassing.
I like the daughter house.
So
I like that daughter house. I like that daughter.
oh guys, I could take this house. I mean this room, but it's fine. Over here is the garage. Or should I say and then over here is another room. What is it gonna be my husband's room? If I have one. Oh, by the way, should I look for one? Oh no, they're too desperate. Anyways, yeah. Yeah, guys. Okay, I'm kinda hungry, so I'm gonna get something out of the fridge. Let me take a food. What should I take? What should I take? Let me take waffles. Like waffles is like the only thing that's like a drink for me. What could I drink? What could I drink? Maybe like nothing cool. Maybe like orange juice. Okay, let me have my breakfast. Okay, so I'm gonna eat my, you know, eat it. Um, this waffles is so nice. Oh, that was nice. Thank you. Okay. Next is the drink. Orange juice. Drink it.
Go. Go.
Oh, that was nice. Next, I'll jump up.
Go.
Oh yeah, guys, don't forget. Look at my outfit, like clucky, clucky. Look from the back, like clucky girly. Perisabara. Oh yeah, guys. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Turn it great, cause that's the way. You got it. Okay, we're just gonna go sit on the couch because I'm kinda tired. I had a whole day.
Because post on YouTube, not on TikTok.
Okay, I'm just gonna take a snap peek of me. Oh no, hell no. Hell no. I'll just put the no. This one. No. This one. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boss. Like we. Okay, I'm not gonna send it to no one. I'm just gonna put it in my story. Like, who sends pictures now again? Oh yeah, I forgot. Let's say hi for the people on like Zoe. Let's just say hey Zoe. Yeah. Yeah, I think everyone. Oh my god, those I think they said hi after when I came in for this one. Just gonna say hi. I mean hey. Okay, I think it's kind of boring. Oh, Toira! Guys, my cousin Toira just joined me. I'm so happy. I can't wait to play with her. Yay!
I like to
Let's see. Oh my goodness. Let's play stacking blocks. And boop, and boop, and boop, and boop, and boop, and boop, and boop. Oh no! Oh no! And boop. Uh-uh. Boop, 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 boop. Oh man, guys. Let's play a new one. Let's play the Bouncy Bird. I love this game. What happened? Guys, I did literally nothing. What happened?
It just fell down. Fell down.
No, what happened?
It just fell down.
What the hell, guys? You just see pick your mouth. Oh my goodness, guys, I think I'm bad at this game. But for real, what happened? I did nothing wrong.
I'm good at this game. Sometimes.
Oh my goodness, what have I done? I literally my best one is 1. Oh no, guys, help me please by giving a like for this video. Maybe I'll. Oh my god, I'm so messed up. I'm gonna try one more lost ones. Oh my goodness! Okay, this is my last ones, guys. I promise. Pinky promise. Yeah, I go. No one saw that, right?
We saw that. We saw that.
Oh my goodness, what is happening? Like, I'm supposed to be good at this game, like, what?
We saw that 1,000 times.
At least I made it to 3. Can't lie. Anyways, let's just check up what is wrong with Toira. Oh no, chat is not right. Oh, no. Let's go tour, guys. Let's go.
I must put that thing on your
I
phone.
think she's by the spawn, of
Still
course.
go to a garage.
Oh yeah, guys, I forgot.
Actually, don't zero.
What? I'm not doing. Oh no, guys, I don't know why I'm hooking like that. Anyways, my house is locked. Everything's locked. Open the garage door. Get in my car.
Go. Whoa. Before.
Okay, guys, let's go check what she's doing.
Now put that thing on your phone. Zio. Put that thing on your phone on.
Guys, I'm not a good driver.
And follow the rules.
Anyway, guys, let's just go. Rules or damn right.
Yellow light. Red light.
Green light.
fine, right?
Keep your mouth stinkers. Oh, you dumb now, tell mom. Oh yes, yeah, I see you guys. Like, what the heck are you wearing, Tuira? Like, for real, what are you wearing, bro? What are you wearing? What are you wearing? Like, guys, Tuira's my car. Like, what the hell? She's just wearing what the jeans? What are those slippers, bro? What is she wearing? What are you wearing? It's me, Zia. Me. Zia. See, she keep on ignoring me. Oh my god.
Anyway, the Wi-Fi thing I was just so happy. I was so happy. Those Wi-Fi thing is so happy.
Toira. Hello.
Yes,
Toira, are you blind? Can you see me? Why is staying balloon? Toira, bruh, wake up. How did she leave? Look there, she literally moved. Toira, stop moving and move your ass, bruh. That's so. Oh my god, where you going?
Jump on the trampoline.
Why you look so, Toira? Let me give you an outfit, bruh. Because you literally look so ugly. Okay, where you, Toira? There you go. You want to get that outfit? Trust me, you look good. There's so much change to put it on. Wear it, trust me. There's so much change to put it on, trust me. Oh my goodness. Toira, oh yes, she checked the phone. Oh, she left the game. Oh no. I look here. Okay guys, so the server is kind of boring, so I'm sorry I didn't use that skin in Joy News, but there's nothing fun to do. Like, it's nothing. No one in the server. Yeah, let's go to the airport, guys, and see what are they up to.
There's houses there. There's a house there by the airport.
What side is the airport, guys? I forgot. I went off.
You see there by the side, it's the right.
Oh, guys, I know where the airport is. Of course, I know where. Wow, then I know.
Yeah, yours. There. Take a lift. Lift. But go on the plane, Gio.
Okay, guys, we arrived at the airport. Let's go, bro.
Oh yeah, I see a Tesla Cybertruck.
I see someone inside. Let's go. Saw them. Where are they going? Oh no.
Which color, Gio? You wanna paint it?
Of course, pink. What else would I choose? I want to go to Upski, Bora Bora.
Go here.
No, that's not my gate. Bora Bora 72. Now's it my turn to go. Wait, what? I made it. Oh no, the gates are closed. I went too late. I must wait for another one. Bora Bora, I'm going to Bora Bora. Yes, the gate is open. Yes, the gate is open. Oh guys, the gate is open. We had some airing issues, okay? Never mind. What the heck?
Are we in the plane or not?
Yes, we are gonna leave now. VIP, what? Oh no, I wanna go in VIP. Just joking, guys. I have to go, yeah. Okay, Bora leaving in 67 seconds.
67.
Let me just. I'm so tired.
Okay, guys, so I'm waiting for the airplane to leave. It's gonna leave anytime soon.
I got my ticket, I got everything, and let's go.
You. No. Bora, Bora. Bolties, Bolties.
Taking so forever.
Don't.
Plane's taking off. Let's check who checked my story. No one checked it. People of Utah Snap. No one. We made it in Bora Bora, guys. So excited. I'm so excited.
Is the video still on?
Okay, guys, that's it for today. See you.
Don't do it.
Bye.
Don't do it.